Sharp.
It's a good-looking bed liner.
Yeah, I came up with it.
Say hi.
Hi.
What would I have for you this hour? My name's Dakota. I got Lyric Street. We're going to test your lyric IQ. I'll read a lyric out of a song. You'll guess what it is. It's that easy. Surprise!
Looking good.
$20 gift card to go.
Spark plug wires down there. Blue ones right there, and air filter wires. All the bolts are painted.
Oh, nice.
Still gotta get the AC thing.
Oh, the AC thing, yeah. Okay.
Other than that,
Nice. Looks nice.
I'm good.
All right, take a bow, Ben.